Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by making the job safe and legal. Disconnect the negative battery cable and recover the refrigerant using certified equipment. Once done, visually inspect the compressor clutch, belt condition, and electrical connector for corrosion. These are the usual failure points. Next, use a multimeter to verify 12V at the clutch connector while an assistant toggles a /C demand. If you see power but no clutch spin, pull belt tension and remove the drive belt to access the compressor for further diagnosis. Once the belt is off, measure the clutch air gap with a feeler gauge and confirm coil resistance against spec. This tells you if the clutch coil failed. If clutch tests fail, remove the clutch plate and hub to inspect the shaft and bearing. When unbolting the compressor, keep it upright to avoid oil loss and catch any O-rings or spacers. Also sample the oil for metal debris and measure shaft in play. Excess indicates internal failure and the need for replacement versus repair. You reinstall a repaired or new compressor using new O-rings and the exact oil charge specified by the manufacturer. Add oil through the suction port if required. Once mounted and belt tensioned, evacuate the system to below 1 torr for at least 30 minutes to remove moisture, then check for pressure rise to ensure no leaks. After charging to the correct refrigerant weight, run the engine and a /C. Monitor high/low pressures and clutch engagement. If pressures are out of range,
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.